Good morning, grade 3. Today we are going to start a new block 15, local sources of water. Okay, and today's topic is about uses of water. So, water is something which is needed by humans, plants, and animals, right? And we use it every single day. There are different uses of water in everyone's house. Okay, so basically there are two uses of water that we have. The first one are common uses. Common uses means when water is used for our survival, to keep us clean and healthy. Okay, so in your house, water is used everywhere. In the kitchen it is used to cook food, to rinse rice or to rinse the vegetables, and to make tea or to make juice, right? Then in the bathroom, water is used for taking bath, for washing clothes, then for washing your hands or washing your face while you're brushing your teeth, in order to rinse your mouth, for flushing the toilets. Then if you have a lawn or a garden, you are using water for watering the plants, right? Then if you have so if you have cars, you are cleaning your cars with water. Then you're mopping the floors with water. There are so many uses of water in our house, okay, and these are all common uses. It means that we need these uses. We cannot live without these uses, okay? If you do not take bath, eventually you'll fall sick. If there's no water in the kitchen, you will not be able to cook food, okay? uh, and then if you do not wash your clothes, you cannot wear dirty clothes. So these are uses of water which we need to survive, to be clean and healthy. But there are also some other uses which is done usually for fun. They are called unique uses, okay? Unique, the word unique means different. They are unique uses of water because they even if you do because these unique uses are done usually for fun, okay? And even if you stop using them, even if you stop having uses for these kind of uses, it's completely fine, okay? It's completely fine. You can perfectly live healthily even without these unique uses. Now, what are these unique uses? Very simple. Having water in swimming pools, examples of unique uses, okay? Then making ice, and then filling water in balloons and playing with them. Ice skating, you know that for ice skating you have to freeze a big area of water so that you can practice ice skating on it, right? Those are also for fun. If because of any reason you are not able to do all these unique uses, it will be completely fine. It is not going to affect your health in any way. So water has two basic uses. First is common uses: drinking, bathing, cooking, washing clothes, then taking bath, and then watering the plants, because you know that even plants need water, right? So watering plants, keeping your house neat and clean, all these uses are common. We need them to live a healthy life, okay? We cannot live in dirt. That is not good. But there are also some other uses, like common uses of like unique uses of water, in which water is used for fun purposes, such as playing with water balloons or having swimming pools filled up with water. Then you're making ice, and then ice used for ice skating. All these are unique uses, okay? And they are not very necessary, but yes, of course, we can use if you have the resources, then you can have these unique uses and have fun from it. Now, water is used in different ways in everyone's house. Some of us, we use more water. Some houses, if there are more number of people, they will use more water. If there are less number of people, they will use less water, okay? Now, have you noticed something, that in summers your family uses water differently? In winter the family uses water differently, okay? So this is, right now it is summer months, so you will notice that you need more water right now. because we feel sweaty. So that means we are taking we are not taking just we are not taking bath just once a day. We are taking it like some of us are taking twice or thrice a day. We feel thirsty more, we are drinking more water, and since we feel sweaty, we change our clothes most of the time, which means your more clothes are getting dirty and you are spending more water to wash them. So in summer, families use more water because of the weather. Compared to that, if you think about winter months, what happens is that sometimes children, they skip bathing because when it's very cold, even if they take bath regularly, some of them may fall sick. So uh, uh, they use less water to take bath. People usually use less water to take bath. They take bath just once a day. They in winter months, people do not usually wash their feet or wash their hands most of the time, and then we feel less thirsty, so we drink less water. We do not also have the habit of changing clothes usually in winters, so which means we are using less water in winters and more water in summers because of the weather. Okay, so we